मित्रों लास्ट लेक्चर में आपने बेसिक रूल्स फॉर IUPAC नोमेनक्लेचर फॉर आल्केन होमोलोगस सीरीज कम्प्लीट कर्या। त्यार पछी IUPAC नोमेनक्लेचर ऑफ alkene compounds having the minimum one double bond between carbon and carbon atoms. In hydrocarbon compounds, at least minimum one double bond present in two carbon atoms, so it is known as a alkene compound. And this compound also make or form one homologous series, and the general formula for alkene homologous series is equal to CnH twice, where N indicate the number of carbon atoms. So here and it is integral number. So here n is start from the 2. It cannot take as a 1. If we take value for n is equal to 1, so here it is not possible carbon atoms having one double. So initial compound of this homologous series is equal to CH2 double bond CH. So when we name it according to IUPAC nomenclature, from the alkane compound subtract ANE by ENE, so we get the IUPAC name of relevant component, so it makes the alkene compound. So here this component having two carbon atoms, so according to alkane component it is named as a eth, but it consists one double bond. So from the ethane NaNe is subtracted by ENE, so it is named as a ethene, and it is IUPAC nomenclature of relevant component or this component. Similarly, CH3 CH double bond CH2, so 1, 2 and 3 carbon atoms consist in relevant component, so it is propane, but it also consists one double bond between two carbon atoms, so from the propane ANE is subtracted by ENE, so we getting propene. Similarly, CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2, so here 1, 2, 3 and 4, but in this component there are another possibility to locate the double bond between two carbon atoms, and it is written as a CH3 CH double bond CH and CH3. The molecular formula of both the components are, or for both the structure are similar, but here the location of double bond are different. Here it is from this end, it's having the 1, 2, 3 and 4, but here 1, 2, 3, 4, or from this end it's also having the 1, 2, 3. So here double bonds locate between carbon number 2 and 3, but here it is locate carbon number 1 and 2. So in this component, the location of carbon atom at where it is also indicated, and when we indicating the location of double bond, so it is necessary to numbering the parent chain and numbering from each of the end, but double bond having the minimized number. So here it is numbering from this end. So double bond located between carbon number 1 and 2. But when we write the IUPAC nomenclature, when we indicate the number at which two numbers carbon atoms are located, so very first number are also indicated, not both number are indicated. So here we write the but 1 in. It is according to IUPAC nomenclature, it is named as a but 1 in, and here it also consists carbon number 4, so it is but. But location of double bond between carbon number 2 and 3, so it is but 2 in. Another example we take CH3, CH, CH2, CH, and double bond CH2, and here CH3. So according to IUPAC rules, when we naming by the rules using of the IUPAC, so first rule it says first we choose the longest chain having the double bond or functional group or substituent group. But here priority are given to the double bond when double bond and substituent group both are present in similar molecules. At that time, for the numbering, priority are given to the double bond. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in this component, according to IUPAC rules, first we write the substituent with its appropriate number at which carbon atom it is linkaging with main chain or parent chain. So it linkaging 4, so it is 4 methyl. 5 carbon atom means pen. Double bond linkaging between carbon number 1 and 2, so it is pen 1 in. આ રીતે નોમેનક્લેચર છે એ તમારે એનું કરવાનું છે. ત્યાર પછી આમાં તો જે મિસ્ટેક ઓછી થઈ, પણ વેન વી આ રીતે જો આપેલું CH3, CH, CH2, CH, double bond, CH and CH, and here CH. So numbering are given from this end or this end. So numbering are given from this end because of from this end double bond having the minimized number 1 and 2. From here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here substituent groups are not considered for the numbering when it located with the double bond. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we write the 5 methyl. How many number of carbon atom consist? 6. So X at where double bond are consist 2 and E. So 5 methyl have 2 in. It is the IUPAC nomenclature of relevant component. So when sometimes we have given this way CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3, and here CH and double bond CH. So according to IUPAC systems, at where double bond are consist, and we choose the parent chain, longest parent chain which consists the double bond. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And instead of this way, it is also written as a CH2 and CH3. આમ જો આપેલું હોય તો longest chain consists 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So longest chain are choose this way. So it consists the maximum number, means number of carbon atom is 7. But in this way, the substituent groups are bypassed, are not consist in parent chain. So we can't, according to IUPAC rules, we can't choose this way parent chain. But parent chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we choose the parent chain in this way. It is not choose in this way. Now we numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In this way, the 6th number, it is less number of carbon atom consisted parent chain. But IUPAC rules say that the parent chain should as it consists the double bond or triple bond. So here double bond are included in parent chain. Now it is substituent group, and substituent groups have the number of carbon atom, it is 1, 2 and 3. So it is propyl. At which carbon atom? So 3. So it is written as a 3 propyl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 heads. At where 1 carbon atom, so it is 1. આ રીતે આનું નોમેનક્લેચર છે એ કરવાનું થાય. એટલે ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું કે આ રીતે જ્યારે પેરેન્ટ ચેઇન છે એમાં ડબલ બોન્ડ ન હોય, it cannot consist the double bond, but it having the maximum number of carbon atom, and double bonds are remains as a substituent group. So this way you can't choose the parent chain. So parent chain choose in which the double bond are also consist. એટલે આ એક અહીંયા આગળ ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું. ત્યાર પછી જો આ રીતે તમને આપેલું હોય, if you given the CH2 double bond CH, CH and double bond CH, 2 times double bond are consist in relevant component. So here we write the IUPAC name. First we choose the longest chain consist. Number of carbon atoms are higher or maximum 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then after, when it is necessary to give the number, because of location are indicated. So here from the both the end, both the double bonds having the similar number. So you give number from any one of the end. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is pure. At where double bond are located 1 and 3. So 1, 3 di-ene. So it is named as a but 1,3-di. Because of here these molecules are also CH2 double bond C, double bond C, and CH and CH3. This way also written 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4. So it is numbering from here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is named as a but 1, 1, 2 dash diene. શું લખ્યો? ડાયની. આવી ગયું સમજમાં કે આ પ્રકારે જ્યારે આપેલું હોય ઇન ધીસ વે ધી ડબલ બોન્ડ્સ આર લોકેટેડ, so it is also located in this way, so it is isomers of each other, and at that time the location of double bonds are also indicated, and so it is 1,3 die and it form the 1,2 die. Now another component, it is written as a CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH, CH double bond CH2, and here it consists CH, it consists CH2, CH2 and CH. So we choose the parent chain. It's having the maximum double bonds are included in parent. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. जो आपने if we choose parent chain as this way, so one double bond are remains and it form the substituent. But when we choose the parent chain in straight line, so all of two double bonds or maximum two double bonds are consist in parent chain. So this way we choose the parent chain, we can't choose parent chain in this way. Now we numbering from here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. From the both end, both the double bond and substituent groups having the similar number. So we numbering are given from each of the end. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now it make a substituent group, and substituent group is having the number of carbon atom 1, 2 and 3. So it is propyl, and it is linkaging with carbon number 3. So it is written as a 3-propyl dash 1, 4, dash 3-propyl pen, 1, 4 डाई. આ પ્રકારે નોમેનક્લેચર એ IUPAC નોમેનક્લેચર થાય 3-propyl pen 1,4 die. Now it make a cyclic structure, and in cyclic structure it's having also double. From this way it is here carbon, carbon and carbon. So it make the or it consists the carbon number 3, but 3 carbon number linkaging each other to make the cyclic structure. So it is prefix are used, and prefix it is cyclo. And how many number of carbon atom are consist? 3, but one double bond. So from the alkane A and E is substituted by E and E, so it is named as a cyclopropene. Here numbering are not necessary. Similarly, we write the another one molecules. So it consists 1, 2, 3 and 4, and cyclic structure, so it is cyclobutane. But in this structure it also consists two double bond. So numbering are necessary, and when we give it number, so according to IUPAC rules, double bonds having the number 1 and 2, in which carbon atom double bond are located. So these carbon atoms having number 1 and number 2. So here we give number 1. So this carbon atom must be having number 2. Here we not choose this way, 1 here and 2 here. But double bonds are linkaging between two carbon atoms. So one carbon atom having number 1 and another carbon number having number 2. It suggesting rules of IUPAC nomenclature. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we write it name. So it is cyclo but 1, 3 di. So the nomenclature cyclobute 1, 3 di. Or this way, it also consists CH3 and here it is double. So priority are given to double bond, not to substituent. So here we giving the number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, or here 1, 2, 3 and 4. From the both sides, substituent groups having the similar number. At that time, you assign one number here or one number here. So you give this carbon atom number 1. So it make a, or it's having the number are 2. So here first we write substituent groups are prefixed. So it is 4 methyl cyclo pen 1 આ રીતે નોમેનક્લેચર જે છે એ તમારે કરવું પડે. ત્યાર પછી આ ટાઈપનું છે CL. તો શું? તો અહીંયા આગળથી નંબર આપી 1 અને 2 નથી જવું. But you have given the number from here 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first number given to this carbon atom because of from this carbon atom the substituent groups having the minimized number 3, and from this carbon atom substituent group having the maximum or higher number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this way you cannot assign the number. Now we write 3 chloro cyclo but comma 1 in. આ નોમેનક્લેચર જે છે એ આ કમ્પાઉન્ડનું તમે આ રીતે કરી શકો. તો આ રીતે સાયક્લિક સ્ટ્રક્ચર જ્યારે હોય તો પણ તમે નોમેનક્લેચર કરી શકો, અને એરોમેટિક કમ્પાઉન્ડ જ્યારે હોય તો તમને થાય. અથવા તો આ ટાઈપનું હજી સાયક્લિક સ્ટ્રક્ચર જો હોય અહીંયા સો ઇટ ઇઝ એસાઇન એઝ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it is cyclohex 1, 4 dash di. Cyclohex because of it consists the number of carbon atom, it is 6, so it is X. at where located the double bond. Double bond are at the carbon number 1 and 4. So it is 1, 4. How many times? 2 times. So it is di. And double bonds, it means E and E are used. Now, these components having the DC. So it is assigned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is cyclohexane at where 1, 3 di. Cyclohexane 1, 3 di. But in these components there are another substituent are also present. If it is here 1, 2, 3 and 4 and it is from. So first number are given from this carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we write 1 bromine, cyclohexane at where 1, 4 di. But double bonds are here and here. तो હવે તમને ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો કે જ્યાં આગળથી મિનિમાઇઝ થતું હોય ત્યાં આગળથી તમારે પણ પ્રાયોરિટી કોને આપવાની નંબરિંગ માટે? તો પ્રાયોરિટી જે છે એ કોને આપવાની થાય? ડબલ બોન્ડ જે છે એ ડબલ બોન્ડને પ્રાયોરિટી આપવાની થાય. Say for example we take one. Another example it is here Br and here it also consists one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. तो आ साइड थी तमे नंबरिंग छे आपी शकता नथी. नंबरिंग क्यांथी आपवू पड़े? 1, 2, 3, 4 because of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we write the 4, 5 and 6. 4 bromine, cyclohexane 1 E. આ રીતે નોમેનક્લેચર છે એ તમારે કરવું. ત્યાર પછી આગળ જોઈએ તો when aromatic compounds are having double bond, say for example CH double bond CH2. So it is main chain shoes in this because of the number of carbon atom are least, but double bond located in this open chain, it is not in this chain. So here we write the eth. eth માં ક્યાં આવશે? તો કે અહીંયા આગળ 1 and 2. So it is linkaging at 1 cyclohexyl 1 cyclohexyl ethene. Here number are not indicated because of in 2 carbon atoms the number double bonds are always located at carbon number 1 and 2. So it always having the number of carbon atoms, number of double bond, it is always 1. Now we take this. So this way it is completed to IUPAC nomenclature of alkyl compounds. Now we take the alkyne compound. Alkyne compound. Alkyne. YNE. So alkyne compounds having which types of compounds are known as a alkyne compound? So hydrocarbon compound, minimum one triple bond between two carbon atoms are present, so it is known as a alkyne compound. And the general formula of alkyne, homologous series, it makes a homologous series, and general formula for this compound it is CnH twice N minus, where N indicates the number of carbon atom, and it is starting from the or initial component of this homologous series. It's having the carbon number are 2 because of one triple bond located between two carbon atoms are necessary. So here first component of this series it is written as CH triple bond C. So it naming from the alkane compound, alkane ANE is subtracted by YN, so it makes the alkyne compound. So here this component having or consists carbon number 2 means methane, but it also having one triple bond, so from the ethane ANE is subtracted by YNE, so it makes a ethane. Similarly, CH triple bond C, CH3. So here 1, 2, 3. So word root it is propane or prop. One double bond means in. So it is propyne. Similarly, CH triple bond C, CH2 and CH3. So it is prop, 1, 2, 3 and 4 means but, 1 I, Y and E. Because of in this component, the location of double bond, triple bonds are migrate to another carbon atom, and it is CH3, C triple bond C and CH3, 1, 2, 3 and 4, similar to alkene components. All of the rules are considered of alkene component but differ from ENE and YNE. Difference between ENE and YNE. So here 4 carbon atom means but, at where 2 double bond means YNE. So this way we write the another component. It's having CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, C, triple bond C and CH. So these components having one triple bond and one substituent. So first we choose the longest chain having triple bond. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now give its number because of location of triple bonds are also indicated and substituent groups located at which carbon atom of parent compounds are also indicated. So it gives the numbering are necessary. So numbering are given from this end or this end. From this end, the substituent groups are near, and from this it is 1 and 2, and it is 1 and 2. At that time, the priority are given to the triple bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and it is written as a 5-methyl. 6 carbon X at 2 carbon atoms, triple bond are present, so it is 2 INO. This way, it makes the IUPAC nomenclature 5-methyl hex 2I. Similarly, CH3, CH, CH2, C triple bond C, CH2, CH3, and here it also consists one substituent group. So first we choose the longest chain consists triple bond. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Another way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. From this, both probability are similar. Now, second number, it is necessary to given the number. So, number are given from this end, left hand side or right hand side. From the right hand side, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Double bond, triple bond having the number is 3. And from left hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. From the right hand side, triple end having 3 number and substituent groups having 6 number. From the left hand side, substituent groups having 2 number and it's having the 4 number. So number are given from which end? At that time, for the numbering, priority are given to the triple bond, not to substituent groups. So from this molecule or structure, we give the number from right hand side because of from the right hand side, triple bond having the number are 3. And from the left hand side 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is not numbering from this side, but it is numbering from this side. And now we write the nomenclature. So it is, first we write the substituent group with at which carbon atom it is linkaging. So it is linkaging with 6-methyl. 6-methyl in main chain or parent chain, it consists the number of carbon atom is 7. So it is F at where 3 ion. In this way, it is named as this. 6-methyl have 3 ion. Now, in these molecules, CH3, CH, CH, C, triple bond CH, here C2H5 and here CH3. So numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here we write the first, it's having the 2 substituent groups and both substituent groups are different. So for the writing the name, priority given according to alphabet order. So one it is ethyl and another it is methyl. So it is written as 3 ethyl, 4 methyl and parent chain 5. So it is pen 1 I. ખ્યાલ આવ્યો કે આ ટાઈપનું હોય અથવા આ ટાઈપનું તો એનો નોમેનક્લેચર ક્યાં કરવાનું છે ખ્યાલ છે, પણ કન્ફ્યુઝન ક્યાં થાય તો કે નંબરિંગ આપવા માટે અહીંયા આગળ કન્ફ્યુઝન થાય, આમાં કોઈ તકલીફ નથી. તકલીફ અહીંયા તકલીફ પડે કે 1 અને 2 સબસ્ટિટ્યુઅન્ટ ગ્રુપને પ્રાયોરિટી આપવાની નથી. પ્રાયોરિટી કોને આપવાની છે? So priority are given when components having the substituent group as well as triple bond. So priority are given for the numbering to triple bond. And when we choose the parent chain, so parent chain choose as it consists the triple bond. Similarly, it is given by this way. CH2, sorry, CH3, CH2, CH, CH2 and CH3, and here CH2, CH3, CH2 and CH3, and here C triple bond C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. From this way, the triple bond are not consistent parent, but in this way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It's having the, in this way it's having the number of carbon atom are less, but it's consists the triple bond. So at that time we choose the parent chain in this, and numbering are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and it is take as a substituent group. So first we write substituent group located at carbon number 3, and it is 1, 2 and 3. So it is propyl X at where 1 I. આ રીતે લખવાનું થાય. ત્યાર પછી આગળ જોઈએ તો એમાં નંબર ઓફ કાર્બન એટમ એક CH3, CH ડબલ બોન્ડ CH, CH2, C triple bond CH. આમ જો double bond and triple bond are simultaneously present in similar component. So priority given to each end from the double bond or triple bond having the minimized number. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The wood group having the 6 carbon atoms, so it is X. First we write the name of E according to alphabet order, E and E and Y and E. So it's having the priority according to alphabet order. So 4E and 1 I know. So Y આ રીતે. ત્યાર પછી આમાંના જો આમ આપેલું, if you give CH2 double bond CH, C triple bond C, from the both end double bond and triple bond having the similar number, at that time priority are given to double bond according to rules of IUPAC nomenclature. So it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we write this way name. So in wood root or parent chain, it consists the number of carbon atom 4. So word root, it is but. 1 in 3 I. તો આ રીતે ડબલ બોન્ડ ટ્રિપલ બોન્ડ જે છે એ સિમિલર કમ્પોનન્ટની અંદર જ્યારે પ્રેઝન્ટ હોય અને બોથ હેવિંગ સિમિલર નંબર ફ્રોમ ધી બોથ એન્ડ, સો પ્રાયોરિટી આર ગિવન ટુ ડબલ બોન્ડ દેન ટ્રિપલ બોન્ડ. IUPAC ની અંદર રૂલ્સ બનાવેલો છે કે આ બંનેને જ્યારે સિમિલર નંબર મળતા હોય તો પ્રાયોરિટી કોને આપવી, તો પ્રાયોરિટી આર ગિવન ટુ ડબલ બોન્ડ. તો આ રીતે આમાં સાયક્લિક કમ્પોનન્ટ છે એ ફેમિલિયર નથી, અથવા તો એરોમેટિક કમ્પોનન્ટ છે એ પણ ફેમિલિયર નથી, તો આટલું તમે કરો અને આટલું બધું પણ એક્ઝામની અંદર તમે જૂના પેપર, ઓલ્ડ પેપર જો જોશો તો એની અંદર જે તમારે લખવાના હોય તો એમાં આવું CH give IUPAC nomenclature of this component and it is familiar name, it is acetyl. તો ઘણા એસિટિલિન નથી લખ્યા, એની બદલે કંઈક નવું લખ્યું અને IUPAC nomenclature શું થાય તો ઇથાઇલ. આ આપણને આવા જ પૂછતા હશે. અથવા તો આ ટાઈપનું કે જેમાં તમે કન્ફ્યુઝ થાઓ, અથવા તો આ રૂલ્સનો ખ્યાલ ન હોય તો નંબર ક્યાંથી આપવો અહીંથી, અથવા તો આ ટાઈપનું હમણાં આપણે જે પૂછ્યું હતું કે ભાઈ આ પ્રકારનું જે હોય દિશ, તો એની અંદર તમે નોમેનક્લેચર જે છે એ લોંગેજ ચેન યુઝ કરવા માટેનું જે કમ્પોનન્ટ હતું, સે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ CH3 C H2 CH2 CH3 C ટ્રિપલ બોન્ડ C અને અહીંયા આવું CH3 CH2 CH2 અને CH3. તો લોંગેજ ચેન ક્યાંથી આ તમે અને આ સબસ્ટિટ્યુઅન્ટ, તો સબસ્ટિટ્યુઅન્ટ ગ્રુપ આને લેવાનું નથી. લોંગેજ ચેન ક્યાંથી આ રીતે તમારે ચૂઝ કરવાની, જે આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલની અંદર જોયું. તો આ રીતે આલ્કેન અને આલ્કાઇલ કમ્પોનન્ટ જે છે એનું નોમેનક્લેચર આપણે પૂરું કરીએ છીએ અને આવતા વખતે નેક્સ્ટ વિડીયોની અંદર હેલો, આલ્કેન, આલ્કોહોલ એમાંથી કોઈ પણ આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ કરશું. તો અત્યારે અહીંયા આટલું રાખશું.